Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the new field calculations option inside of FieldGenius to very quickly do mathematical operations on your bearings and that kind of thing. So what I've done to begin here is I've already opened up my Traverse tool, and to show you what I mean, I'm going to click into my azimuth option. Now within this field here, as I've always been able to do, if I enter 1.2, it will create a bearing or azimuth that is exactly the same as the bearing or azimuth between those 2 points. So it matches or would be parallel to those 2 points. Now, for a lot of you, it would be really handy to be able to project a mathematical operation off that. Let's say I want to put a point that is perpendicular to that line. What I'm going to do now is I can add plus or minus any number to the end of that to do a mathematical operation on it. So for instance, if I go plus 90, that is going to add 90 degrees to this angle and put it 90 degrees to that or perpendicular to that line. I can also do a negative. I can add 270 or 30 degrees or whatever else I need to perform in the field here. But that is how you use the field calculations option inside of FieldGenius to do more mathematics in the field and less in the office. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or you want to see anything else about FieldGenius, do hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204.